Hi friends, welcome to Java 8 collection programming series. Today I am going to find the longest palindrome in a list using the Java 8 stream API. So in this program, we will take some input like madam, hello, civic, known, level, race car, and cat. So we will get longest palindrome race car. And if you can see here having that madam, hello, civic, known, level, race car. So we will get that next input and we will remove here race car. So we can check what we will get that output. So So after the simple input, you can see I just keep the same and just remove the race car. So then we will get that longest palindromes here, madam, civic, level, and kayak. So for this program, I'm going to write the logic how we will get that output. I open the IntelliJ and created a class here, find longest uh, palindrome, and giving the program number 56, and uh, and I mentioned here the program with the simple input output. And after completing, I will push the code in the git repository. You can go there, you can just download, or you can watch together with me. And in this program, so we need here write the main method to start the execution. And according to that question, so we need to here create the list. So I will use here list, and I will keep as a type a string, and I will keep here reference name words. And so creating the list, I will use here arrays utility class, and in this class we will get here as list method to create the list. And so in this list it's created, but it's empty. So now I'm going to keep that simple input, and I will paste inside as a list method. And now it's initialize that value whatever I just gave here. And now okay, so now here I just import here list interface. So we are knowing that list is interface, and we whenever working that IntelliJ idea, getting that here import class. So you can see here I just imported here. Now we need to check with that each word is a palindrome or not. First we will check, and and also we will check like list containing that palindrome or not, because input could be anything. So here I will create here one temporary variable where we will store like that if getting that palindrome. So I will use here same type of that list, a string, and I will write here palindrome, and I will keep here palindromes. And so we are having that list, and having that list name is a word. And so by using the stream API, so we need to convert like the stream for the processing. So I will convert here by using the stream method. And in this method we will get here a filter. So I will use here filter, and in this filter we are going to filter here like word is a palindrome or not. So I will use here word, and I will use here lambda expression here. So here we will check like word dot equal ignore case, and here we will compare with that one word to another word, and word should be reverse. So I will use here word. So but before that here we will comparing with that one word and with their reverse order, like so I will use here new, and a string builder. So friend, we are knowing like we already know that a string is a immutable class, and a string builder is a mutable class. So I will use here a string builder, and so it will convert like it will reverse one character to another character, and append with that append or concatenate with that one string. So that time here we will get like so I will use here in this a string word and dot reverse. So reverse method, it will just reverse. And after reversing, we will convert like again a string. So I will use here to a string. So basically to a string it will return as a string, so whatever we are keeping, and so similar we will get here by using the to a string. So almost palindromes check, and now we are going to collect with the value as a list. So I will use here dot collect. In this collect method we will pass here collectors, and in the collectors method we will get utility method to list. So now this program I will break that into different lines, so it will easy to understanding. So firstly a stream, then word, and then here I just collect that value. So friend, having the list, having that or not having that palindrome in list, because uh, it could be anything like so that time whatever you have taken the input, sample input, accordingly here it will, you can initialize the value, but process remaining is the same. And so now we are going to check, it's returning, it's checking with the palindrome and storing inside a palindrome list, having that palindrome or not. So here we don't know it's having the palindrome or not, so here we will use here list and or else. So here we will check like is if list containing that any palindrome, so that time we will get that value. So we will check here each empty, and you can see here each empty it will return like either true and false. So in this if statement we will get that true, that time it will execute, otherwise it will comes execution control else part. So whenever having that list, so that time we are knowing that not getting any palindrome or not containing any palindrome in the list, so that time we will print here like not getting the palindrome. So I will use here system.out.println, and I will message here no palindrome. Oh my god. So we will pass here a string, so I will use here no palindrome found. If condition is false, that time it's containing any palindrome, so that time it will execute as a else part. So in this else part we need to check with their length. So so that time we will get that longest palindrome. So here in this part, so firstly we will get that input like integer, so I will keep as a integer, and I will keep as a max length. So here we will use palindromes dot stream dot filter, and in this filter I will use here word, and I will use here word dot, or we can do simply here stream, like we can use here a stream dot, having that we are knowing that map to int or map to any other. So here you can see like map to int, so it will return int a stream. So I will use here map to int, and in this in the map to int we will here call like the string, and by using that method reference, and we will get we are calling here length method, so we will get that length. And here I will use here like that max value, so we are going that it's written like optional int, so I will use here max. And if not getting that any maximum value, so that time we will use like or else, and in this list we will set here default value as a 0. So now you can see here it will return either maximum value of the palindrome, or it will, or either it will return 0. Now we are going to collect that maximum of the maximum length of palindrome. So here getting that maximum length, so we need to here one more list to store that value. So because here if you see here like output, so here having that list, and so you can see here list. So here we need to create that one list, and let's scroll down, and here I will use list, and keep type as a same string, and I will use here longest palindrome. And friend, we are knowing that it's containing that all the palindromes inside a palindrome, so I will use here palindromes, and I will use here a stream, and in this stream again we will use here filter, and so here we are going like word and here word. So in this word, because it's the word is a string, and in this string, so we will get here length, and we will compare with that maximum length. So here you can see I just here just find that maximum length, so I will use here maximum length, and then we will collect that value here by using that collectors to list. And now I'm going to print that longest string, so I will use here system.out.println. So here we will use like longest, whatever that simple output, so I will keep here. Okay, here having the longest palindrome, so I will keep same uh, palindrome, and yeah, so here we will use like that longest palindrome. So friend, my program is come. Thank you friend for your time and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.